Jcknifeworks. This is our 1.5 horse Balder industrial buffer setup. We bought this buffer because as knife makers, buffing is a huge part of the knife making process. You use a buffer on all aspects of the knife, from the handle material to the blade itself to pretty much everything. So it's important that you have one that you like. We bought this one because we knew that due to the industrial nature of it, it would let us add on a piece of equipment that would let us control the speed of the wheels turning so that we could tailor it for whatever application we were doing at that time. So we bought the buffer and added these spindle tapers on, which let us do quick change outs of the different grits of buffing wheels. We take a buffing wheel and we'll coat it with a particular grit of compound, and then once you do, it is dedicated to that compound. You don't ever change. So this is the machine itself, and then above the machine and back is the variable frequency drive, and that piece of equipment is an add-on, and it lets us take the machine from just a fixed RPM of about 3,000 to anything we want up to 3,000. So to do that, we would just press start, and you get an RPM readout on the screen, and by using this speed pot right here, you can dial it up. See, as I turn it, it increases the speed. All the way up. Or you can turn it all the way back, however you want. And by doing that, you can get a better finish out of the different materials you're using, because they don't always need to be done at super high speed. Some of them need relatively low speeds to get the proper finish out of. This machine's come in really handy. It's quickly become one of our favorite pieces of equipment in the shop. When you have a buffer that's set up properly and you have all the compounds and wheels and accessories for it, it can save you a lot of time and a lot of heartache, as opposed to trying to get out small imperfections on a belt grinder with different belts. So that is our machine. It also goes in reverse. If there's ever a need to run the wheels in reverse, it's another nice part about the variable frequency drive. You could never do that as a standard setup. The motors are not wired for that, but once you put on a variable frequency drive like we have, you can pretty much tell it to do whatever you want as fast as you want it. So, once again, it's a nice rig, and we really get a lot of use out of it. Thanks for watching.